Okay, everybody move a little bit and you're gonna receive the really good result, right? Everybody, we can do it. Okay, very good. So let's take a look at some questions. I'm going to just explain a little bit, this one and this one, okay? So 1 plus what equals 28 divided by what? So this question, I don't know if you can do it really quick or something like that. So the most important part is what? You can do 28 divided by 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. We try to give what? The factors of 28. And if it is 28 divided by 1, then this one is 27. Right? If it is 2, then it's 13. It's 6, and 3, and 1, and 0. Get it, everybody? And that is the key of doing those kind of question quick. So let's quickly take a look at 5 plus what equals 30 divided by what? So who can tell me this bracket, how many numbers can we put it in? Yeah, let's think about it. Okay, so a lot of students, 还有很多家长，尤其是妈妈会跟我说：“哎，老师再给我一点题目吧，再给我一点题目吧。” Actually, I want your student, I want my student to can create the question themselves. 可不可以？是不是也可以的？小朋友说：“啊，我可以填个6，当然可以，but I want you to list all of them, not just one of them. Understand? Like me, I list all of the possible answers. So you can just do the same thing. Okay, 好，我们来看看。Everybody, I'm going to starting with what? Starting with the first factor of 30. So Tiffany, can you tell me what is the first factor of 30?
2.
First factor.
1.
Very good. First is 1. Okay, so Emma, can you tell me the second one? So when you have 1, what is the next one? Is 30. Because 1 times 30 equals 30. Get it, everybody? We try to get the factor by pairs. I don't know if any of your school is learning factors. So I know in the school, it's like listing 1, 2, 4, 7, 1, 4, 14, and 28, right? But when we do each like that, Serena, it's actually very easy to miss. So how do we not to miss any? So I'm just giving you a quick help. So just to put 1 here and 30 here. Then 2, 15, and 3. And so still they're in order, but you will never miss any. Understood, everybody? Okay, so this is the trick. So 2, 15, 3, and a 10. So now, in order to have 6 different factors, so we're going to have 6 different answers. So we'll be 25, 10, 5. This one will be what? Minus 2. And minus 3. And minus 4. Get it, everybody? Okay, so they have all the different answers. So now let's take a look at this one because this is something relatively related to today's what we're learning, okay? So because Ariel may be asking, Ariel 说老师, so 5 plus negative 4 is equals to 30 divided by 30. It's right, but how could you put plus and negative at the same time? Because you told me, so there's only one side could be putting between two numbers, right, Serena? But the thing is, because you have a bracket, understood? When you have a bracket, you can have everything inside it. So that's why outside the bracket, because negative 4 is actually considered as a number, as a number. Understand? It's not minus 4. It is considered as negative for everybody. Okay, so this is a very important. So it is actually 5 plus negative. So, Violet. So 5 plus negative 4 equals what? 5 minus 4, because plus and minus meet together equals minus, right? So if we have 5 minus negative 4, so negative and negative, Emma has invented this one. Negative and negative plus together equals positive. So it's 5 plus 4. So get it, everybody? So why we're learning this one, why we're review this one, because today we're going to learn a new thing. It's called absolute value. Okay, so when we're learning absolute value, there's going to be having like negative numbers plus together and something like. Okay, so let's just take a look at that one. Okay, so we're going to move forward. Where's my book? The book is missing. Okay, here. So first of all, in order to calculate the negative and positive, we need to know like what is their value, right? So if you have a 7, negative 9, negative 6, negative 1, and 3, I want you to put them into order from the least to greatest. And there's a very important thing, Ariel, Serena, and Albert. If you know that a number, if it is 7, must be bigger than 3, right? But when you have a negative sign in front of it, actually the number looks bigger is actually
Smaller.
very
Because think about it. If it's like the bigger, like if it's negative number, it's below 0. So it's like going this way. And this way is always smaller. So
very
negative, the bigger number always is more this way.
very
So
good.
more towards the left. So that means it's smaller.
Very good, because Emma has having a very strong number line in her brain, right? Number line. So everything we compare with the middle 0, right? So 0 is our what? Our mom in our family, right? So she kind of like the most important person. So the distance, like negative 9 is here. So this is negative 3, 6. So the number is more left, it is smaller, and more right because it's righter. Okay, 它是对的，对不对? So the righter, the bigger, correct? Because it's right, right? Okay, so let's take a look at 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's pretty easy. So 1, 2, 3. Please put them in order from the least to greatest. Okay, when you see put them into order, it's not necessarily always from least to greatest. So you have to read the question carefully. The question said least to the greatest. So it's the smallest to the biggest. Okay.
Do we send it to you in the chat?
No, you don't have to. It's
Okay.
I will just, yeah. Joseph, you're late, but just to look at that and putting the numbers in order, okay?
Oh.
Yeah.
Where's my pencil? Where's my pencil? Pencil.
哪里有笔啊？
你早上出去玩了，Joseph？
No, I was on the car and then I had to go to my mom's friend's house. But the way here,
啊，你们在妈妈的朋友家玩是不是？
刚看到。Okay. Wait, is that negative?
Yeah, there's negative. So you need to put the smallest to the biggest.
Okay. Negative 15. Negative 6. 8, 7.
Here, I finished.
Okay, very good.
I have to try to finish the whole thing.
Finished 2.
Okay, good.
Finished.
Mhm.
Done.
Okay, so now let's take a look at the first question. Okay, so everybody, I'm going to call Joseph. Can you tell me the first question? Place these 5 numbers from the smallest to the biggest. How to do it?
Negative 13, negative 9, negative 6, and 7.
No. Number 1, 没有 negative 6 and negative. So only 3 numbers are negative. These 2 numbers are positive, Joseph.
他觉得这个两个是一起的。
啊，对，你眼睛那么大，不能是
哦
大的呀，
对
对不对，小朋友？
Negative 9, negative 6, negative 1, 3, and 7.
Very good. Good job, Joseph. OK，现在可证明你的眼睛不是画的。OK，so let's take a look at number 2. I want to call Tiffany. Can you tell me? So number 2, put them into the biggest and
Negative 11, negative 4, 5, 9, 12.
very good. OK, last one. I want to call Albert. Albert, can you put them in order? Can you put them in order? Albert? Oh, Albert 打给我了，大概。No, that's the first question, Albert. You need to give me the number 3. How about? Okay, so let's call Ariel.
Negative 20, negative 19, negative 12, 18, and 21.
Very good. Okay, so good job, Albert. Thank you. Albert also send it to me. Okay, so now everybody, we just do number 7, number 10, and number 12. Okay, so boys and girls, just do the 3 questions and read the question carefully. Don't say that I'm not giving you any hint. Okay.
So you do 8, 9, and 11? 8, 9, and 11.
No, you do 7, 10,
Bruh,
10, and 12.
I did 8, 9, and 11 because I got 7.
No. Don't read it out. Okay, everybody, you do yourself.
Do you do 7, 10, and 12?
Yeah, 7, 10, and 12.
I did 9 and 8.
那你听好老师的那个呀。
今天累死了。Oh.
I'm finished.
Okay, very good.
Done.
我觉得现在 Violet 说 I'm finished 的时候特别的 proud of herself. I can feel it. I finished. I like that. Okay. So
Oh.
everybody, I wish you have noticed that the question has changed. Okay. It's greatest to least. Okay. So it's very important to read the question carefully because a lot of students just, oh, 肯定就是这样的，从小到大，哦，我就拍一拍吧。It's careful.
That's what I did earlier.
对呀，你看
That's
Joseph，
it.
对不对？So the
I
biggest
fixed it.
16, 11, -4,
Can I do
-10,
7? Oh,
-12. Okay.
can I do 10?
Number 10. I want to call. Okay, Joseph, you can do it.
94, 81, 68, -10, -18.
Negative what?
18.
啊
Huh?
啊啊
Huh?
啊
Uh,
啊！我们有哪个小朋友可以
-14.
呀？哎呀，Joseph，我跟你讲，你的眼睛肯定是画的。来，我们来看一下，Joseph 把眼睛画出来，来摸出来，露出来啊！等一下啊，来，我们看一下啊，来，Joseph 把眼睛露出来，好，那个你看这个眼睛肯定是画的，不是真眼睛啊，这么大的14，他说18 ，OK OK。So last question, number 12. I want to call Emma the Llama.
Okay.
Mhm.
Number 12, 29, 18, 29, 18,
Mhm.
-25, -30, and -56.
Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, so now let's move forward. Okay, so you understand the negative and positive. Very good. So today we're going to learn is called the absolute value. Okay, so I think we have learned it before. So there's a very important thing is absolute value is actually not only talking about a number, but a distance. So the distance is talking about the distance from this number to 0. Get it, Joseph? 你又不看了呀？眼睛已经画的了，耳朵也要是画的啊！你看 Joseph 画出来的人全都是画的。OK，好，Emma 看好了。So 7 to 0, the distance is 7. So that's why -7 absolute value equals 7. And there's no way the distance will be negative. So that's why all the absolute value is positive or 0. Understand, Albert? Understand? Violet, understand? So if somebody said -3 absolute value equals -3, it is wrong. If you see this sign, the negative sign, if you see any number below 0, that is totally wrong. Understand? So because they're talking about the distance, for instance, 8 absolute value equals 8 to 0's distance. Of course, it is 8, right? So everybody, all the questions, I give you 2 minutes to finish all of them, okay? Don't have to send it to me through chat because that's too easy. Okay,
It's
1,
no
2, go.
calculations. Done, Carrie. I'm done, Harry.
Okay, very good.
I'm done.
Okay, very good. So everybody, okay, so there's only one thing. I think these are very important, very easy. The only thing I want to mention is zeros, absolute value is still 0, right? And absolute value don't necessarily be whole number. It could be what? Negative 1.2 also equals what? 1.2. Negative half equals half. Understand? It's not necessarily always what? Always the whole number. It could be fraction and like decimal as well. Okay, so now let's take a look at number 2 part. Okay, this part is actually harder. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at negative 2 absolute value minus negative 1 absolute value divided by 2. Everybody, so we're going to do step by step. Okay, so this is part that gets harder. The first part you probably learning when you're grade 5 or 6, something like that. And this part will be grade 8 and grade 9. Okay, but let's see if it is really hard or not, because I think if Joseph 你又跑哪去了？站起来了。
哎，我的鼻掉了。
那比掉了。Okay, so everybody, so -2, Tiffany,
这个
absolute
这个
value
这个
equals what? -2 absolute value equals what?
2.
Very good. So minus -1 absolute value equals what? 1/2. So 2 minus 1/2 equals what? 1.5. So done. Get it, everybody? Is it hard, Albert? Not at all, right? It's not at all. Okay, so number 22. So 8 minus, the, I just copied down. So 2 minus 14 equals what?
2 minus 14 equals negative 12.
-12. So -12 absolute value equals what?
Value, so I guess it's 12.
12.
Okay, it's 12. Okay, so it's 12. So minus what?
Minus 2.
Minus,
2.
very good, minus 2. So 8 minus 12 minus 2. So we can put in these together equals 8 minus 14. So equals what? Equals negative. Okay, so number 23 and number 24, I want you to do yourself and send the answer to me by chat, please.
What's she gonna say when seeing videos we would translate?
Carrie,
Yeah?
but isn't it 8 minus 10?
No, it's 2 minus 12. 2 minus 14 equals 12, 对不对？那你想 8 minus 1 minus 2 是 8 minus 1吗？
Carrie, Joseph
8
said
又
that
减去
everyone
又减去一个2，一共 take away 14。
Oh my god， 我不小心了。Oh my
you
god.
could send it to everyone.
I accidentally. Oh no. 不小
What the
心的，
heck?
是不是 accidental？
Oh my god.
I'm stuck on 24.
A boy? I don't know. I only know Ta for girl.
Stuck on number 24.
I'm done.
Okay, very good. So the first question, everybody, -3 absolute value equals 3. So 3 over 6 times -6 equals absolute value of 6. So the answer is 3. Correct, everybody? Okay, so number 2. So 5 times -3 equals -15. So it's positive 15 over 5 times 20 over 4. So I know 15 over 5 equals 3 and 20 over 4 equals 5. So the answer is 15. So everybody, 3 and 15. Did you get it?
Carrie,
No.
Carrie, I did it another way. I did 20 and 5, and then I did 4 and 4.
That's the same thing. But did you get the same answer?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, when it's the same answer, that is fine. And everybody having their own way of doing that, that is totally fine. Get it? Okay, so number 25, 26, 27, and 28. Okay?
Give you totally money.
Eight.
When you're done, please let me know. Okay, so 4 questions.
Forgot what I was thinking.
Okay, Carrie, I'm done and I
Okay.
sent it to
Send
you.
it to me. Okay, good job, Emma. Thank you.
Hmm.
Okay, so everybody, just to give you a little bit more time because this part is pretty hard, right? Pretty useful and very important, okay?
I sent you all my answers.
Thank you, Joseph.
Eight.
Okay, so boys and girls, now I'm going to start to explain. Okay, a lot of you make a huge progress. Very good. Okay, so 2 times -4, Ariel, could you please tell me equals what?
2 times -4 is 8.
No, 2 times -4 is -8, right? But if absolute value, so it's 8, right? So plus, remember this is plus. So -40 is +40, right? So divided by 5 equals 8. So Ariel, could you please give me the answer?
16.
Very good. 16. Good job. Okay, so next one, number 26. I want to ask Tiffany, can you tell me your answer?
My answer was 35.
我们来看一下，对不对啊？ Okay, so this one is 7, this is 5. So 7 times 5 equals 35. Good job, Tiffany. Okay, next one, Serena. Let's just see this one. What is the answer for this one? I think this question is a little bit hard.
I said the answer was 160, but I don't think so.
160. So let's see if it is right. So this is 8 times 10. Get it? So Serena, -12 plus 4. So you see any number, you plus a positive number. The only way, okay, I'm sorry, I have to carry this dog because she is screaming all the time. 就是她一直在叫，她一直在叫，她一直在叫，所以我得抱着她上课，不然的话她就要哭。Okay, so now, so any number, Serena, when it's plus a positive number, this number only gets bigger. Get it? It's
But I
only,
thought that -12.
对啊，-12比
Would-
-16比-12大还是小？你想想看。
I redid the last one. I redid the last one.
Smaller?
对呀，是不是？那我们刚才做的这个 negative number, the bigger the number, the smaller the value. So -12 plus 4, 如果你的答案是-16, 那肯定是错，因为它加了一个正的数字。And when he plus a positive number, the only thing is what? 哎呀，你们看这个人是不是跟 Joseph 一样讨厌？
对呀，
Little
没错，很可爱，
Joseph 一样
很可爱，
调皮。
很可爱，很可爱。
Everybody understood? Okay, so let's take a look at the one last
Cute.
one. That's one, Violet. Can you tell me how to do this?
I didn't do that one yet.
Okay, so who did the last one? Okay, so Emma, can you tell me?
So I just tell you the answer.
No, you just do. So -10 times 3 equals
10 times 3 is a negative 30.
uh-huh.
And the absolute value is 30, so then it's 30 divided by 2, and that's 15.
Mhm.
And the absolute value of -12 is 12. So it's 12, and I got 200.
U equals what? 180. Okay, so I have received Tiffany's answer and she got everything right. And good job. Okay,
I changed my last one too.
okay, get it, everybody? So, Violet, you give me the answer, but the answer is not finished yet. You give me the answers like, oh, for instance, 40 divided by 5. That is not the answer, right? So it's 8 plus 40 divided by 5. So it's 16. So you need to finish your question, okay? So it's like that, okay? So very good. So understand, everybody. So absolute value is also including the negative and positive like calculations. And that is a part that's a little bit frustrating, okay? So now let's, 1 second. So I'm going to just do one thing. Oh, where is my class? So 1 second. So I'm going to show you the classes detail. So, and goes. So now we're going to learn the part is called angles, okay?
Oh.
So let's move forward, okay? We have learned the complementary angle and the supplementary angle.
Supplementary.
Do you still remember that? Yes, no?
Yes,
Okay, so
yes.
we need to review it, okay? So we have learned what is complementary angle and supplementary angle. So when two angles plus together equals 180, and we call these two numbers supplementary.
Supplementary.
When two numbers plus together equals 90, then we say these two numbers are complementary. Okay, so this one, 112 plus what equals 180 plus x. So x equals 180 minus 112 equals 68 degrees. So that's why x is 112. These two numbers are supplementary and you can calculate that one, right? So this
Are these
x
all
equals
the like
89 degrees. So that's why we can calculate x equals 89 and x and 91 is supplementary to each other, right?
Is
And
that
we
supposed to
go
be
number
90
5.
degrees?
So 90 minus 35 equals 55 degrees. So we say that 35 and x is complementary to each other. So everybody, please calculate 3, 4, and 6 for me. Okay.
but are these all gonna like
We
add up
said-
to 180 or are they all gonna add up
Some of
to
them.
90 or like how do
Let's
we
All
take
of
a
them.
look at
Depends.
1, 2, and 5. I have given you the demo. Okay, you can understand.
We send the answer to you.
Yeah, please. Take a proper look to the demo. Okay, see what is the differences between 1, 2, and 5. Then you ask. Okay, because those things we have learned it before, and now I have already give you the demo. You need to use the brain to think about it before then you do it.
Gary, I sent you my answers.
Okay, very good.
I sent you my answers too. Same here.
I sent my answer to you, Carrie.
Okay. Okay, so for the people who said, I'm not sure how to do it, I think you know how to do it as well, right now. So 我希望每个小朋友在上过 Carrie 老师的课以后 there's a very important personality I want all of you to have, okay? What is that? The personality of think before you ask. First, to try your best, Albert, right? Who wants to be always the person who's asking questions or always needed be helped? I don't want to be. I want to be the people who is independent. Correct, Tiffany? 你想不想妈妈每次说，哎呀，你做这个题啊，要注意这个，注意那个，哎，烦死了，对不对？ I want to be my self boss. So how to be your first self boss? Okay, first of all, you need to be independent. So being independent, you have to have the ability to think. How do I solve this problem without anybody's help? And then I feel so proud of myself. 181 minus 128 equals,
I'm done, Carrie.
very good, 52 degrees. And they are supplementary to each other. 180 minus 163 equals 17 degrees, and they are supplementary to each other. And 9 minus 62 equals 28 degrees, so they are complementary to each other. Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's take a look at number 7. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Actually, for the angles problem, Tiffany, we can also have some word problems. Emma, word problems everywhere, okay? So number 7, can you read it for us? Can you read the question for us?
Two complementary angles have equal measures. What is the measure of each angle?
Okay, everybody, could you please do yourself? Take out your piece of paper and try to do yourself.
Finished. We'll send you the answer.
已经做完了，这么快。
Carrie.
Good job. So, okay, I'm going to call one of the
Thank
girls'
you.
names. Serena, can you tell me the answer?
For two complementary angles, that means 90 degrees, and 90 divided by 2 each would be 45.
Very good. Thank you, Serena. Very good. Okay, so number 2, number 8, aka Albert, can you read the question for me?
The measure of an angle is 2/3. The measure of a supplement. What is the measure of the angle?
So let's take a look at this one, okay? The measure of an angle is 2/3 of the measure of its supplement. What is the measure of that angle? Everybody try to do it.
I send you my answer.
Okay, very good.
What's supplement?
Supplement, 想想刚才学过的 supplement.
Oh my God.
OK， 做完了吗，小朋友们 ？OK， so now let's explain this one. OK, an angle is 2/3 of measurement of its supplementary. OK, so what does supplementary mean, Violet? So there are two measurements. So that means x plus y equals 180. Get it? And I know one of them is 2/3 of its supplementary. So that means what? X equals what? Equals 2/3 of y. Get it, everybody? Okay, so that means 2/3 of y plus y equals 180. So equals what? Equals 5/3y equals 180. Okay. Equals 180. So y equals what? Equals 180 divided by 5/3, right? So y equals what? Equals 180 times 3/5. Okay, so equals what? Equals 36 times 3 equals 108. So it's 108. Yeah, it's y, but what is x? X equals 2/3 times 108. So equals 2 times 36 equals 72. Or you can do what? 180 minus 108 equals 72. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at number 9. Two angles are complementary. That means what? X plus y equals what? 90. Okay, and measurement of one angle is 24 less than the other. So that means x plus 24 equals y. So how do we do it? Replace y equals x plus 24 because x plus 24 equals y. So we can replace that. So now it's 2x plus 24 equals 90. So 2x equals what? Equals 66. So x equals 33. And what is the measurement of the bigger one? 57. Because 90 minus 33 equals 57 degrees. Get it, everybody? Okay, so number 10. How about I call a girl who read the question for us. Serena, can you read the question for me?
Yeah, two angles are complementary. The measure of one angle is half the measure of the other. What is the measure of the smaller angle?
Very good. Okay, number 2. So I'll give you a little bit help. So two angles are complementary. That means x plus y equals what, Violet?
90.
Very good. Equals 90. Okay, so the measurement of one angle is half of the other. So x equals half y. Or you can say 2x equals y. That's fine as well. Right? So it's half, so that's the same thing. Get it? So it's up to you which one you like. Okay, so solve the question for me.
I'm done, Carrie.
Okay, very good.
I'm done, Carrie. I sent it to you.
I send you the answer,
Very
Carrie.
good. Very good. Okay, so now because we know 2x equals y, so x plus 2x equals what? Equals 90. So 3x equals 90. So x equals 30. So the other one, y equals 60. So the smaller angle, 30 degrees. I hope everybody get it right because I received all the answers right. Okay. So number 11, 2 supplementary angles are given. So who gave me the answer? So it's x plus y equals what? Joseph?
180.
180. Very good. 180. Good job. Okay. So the measure of one angle is 50 less than the other. So x plus 50 equals y. Okay. So what is the bigger one? So please calculate it.
I sent my answer to Carrie.
Okay, very good. So it's x plus 50 equals 180. Okay, so equals 2x equals 130. So x equals 65, and the other one, y equals
I'm done, Carrie.
115 degrees. So it's 115. Get it, everybody? I think everybody get it right. Good job. Okay, I hope.
Carrie,
Hmm?
how come after x plus 50 equals y, you did x plus 50?
Because x plus 50 equals y.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is my first equation. So x plus y equals 150, right? And I have the second equation is x plus 50 equals y. So I can replace y with x plus 50.
Carrie, I found a mistake. It's not 115, it's 100.
Hmm?
Wait, is it 115 or is it 100?
I got 100. I got 100.
100?
No, it's
Serena?
115.
Serena,
Oh.
did you get it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that was 60. Whoopsie.
Sorry, one by one.
Oh.
So I answer.
I send you the
one by
answer.
one. Serena, do you understand what I mean here?
I think so.
Okay, because all the y equals x plus 50. So
Oh,
the
okay,
y,
I got
y
it.
equals x plus 50. Okay, so Serena understood. So Violet, do you understand your question?
Yeah, I actually got it right, but I thought I got it
Okay,
wrong.
yes, because 180 minus 65 equals 115. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so today we're going to move forward and learning. The thing is called Pythagorean relationship.
What the heck is that, like in
So
Egyptian?
this is one in Chinese. They have a name. It's called Gogu Ding Li.
Go Ding Ding.
My
Go,
mom
go,
was
ding,
teaching
ling.
me that.
Let's go
for
Ling
the
Ling.
Go.
ACM.
So this one is called what? Is we have a 6 squared, an 8 squared, and a 10 squared. So when
It's
you
just
have a when you have, no, just to be quiet, okay? When I'm talking and when you're talking as well, so I need to raise up my voice and nobody can hear you. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So everybody, the Pythagorean theorem, it only can be applied when the triangle is right triangle. That is very important, okay? So that means if you want to go to the boys' washroom, you have to be a boy. If you want to go to boys' washroom, you want to go to girls' washroom, you must be a girl. Understand? So in order to use the Pythagorean theorem, you have to be a right triangle. If it is not a right triangle, you cannot use it. And right triangle is hiding in a lot of things. For instance, everybody, have you noticed that if you have a square, actually there are 4 right triangles is hiding there. Understand? If I do, there are a lot of right triangles hiding here. Actually, let me show you. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. So if I have a square, so this is a right triangle. And this is also a right triangle, correct? Okay, and also inside it, this is a right triangle as well. So as long as you have right triangle, the shorter size measurement squared plus the other right angles squared equals the longest measurement squared. For instance, who can tell me 6 times 6 equals what?
36.
Very good. So 8 times 8 equals what?
64.
Very good. So 36 plus 64 equals what?
100.
Very good. So 10 times 10 equals what? 100.
100.
Get it, Ariel? Okay, get it, Sarita? Okay, so that is so-called the Pythagorean theorem. So let's take a look at this one. So 12 times 12, 5 times 5, 13 times 13. 12 times 12 equals 144. 5 times 5 equals 25. So 13 times 13 equals 169. Okay, understand?
Will you add them all together?
Okay, when you finish, let's take a look at number 13. So it's the same thing. So 9 times 9 equals 12 plus 12 times 12 equals 16 times 16. Okay, so this is something like you can practice at home, but let's just try to find what is the missing side. So 3, 4, and what? So how do we do this one? I want you to try to do yourself. Okay.
Do we send it to you in the chat?
Yes, please.
I sent you the answer, Carrie.
Same here.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So I have received the answer, Serena. So Serena, everybody, so you think 这条边
I send you the answer,
3
Carrie.
等于4乘以4，然后等于什么？ Very good. This is 9. This is 16. I have received 3 answers and very good. So Serena, let's take a look at this one. So 9 plus 16 equals what? Equals 25 and equals 5 times 5. Very good. So my question is, what is a quotient equals to? So the quotient equals to what?
Oh, 5.
Very good. Very good. Okay, understand? Joseph, Albert? Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, Emma the Llama. Very good. So number 10, Ariel. Okay, and Violet and everybody. Okay, number 10. Let's do number 10.
I sent you the answer, but I'm not sure if it's the right one. I sent you my answer.
Okay, very good.
Carrie, I sent you my answer.
Okay, very good. And I have received Serena's, I have received Joseph's, I have received Tiffany's, and 3 of you get it. All right, good job. Okay, so the rest of you, just hurry up. You can do it. I trust you.
I can't do it.
You know how I did it?
你肯定用什么小坏方法 ？OK, Violet,
对呀，
think about it.
小
老师
坏
跟你说过有
方法。
2条直角
嘿嘿
边，一个斜边，对不对？2条直角
Yeah,
边，一个斜边。
but I got the 15 squared plus 8. But I got the 15
你用
squared
我的
plus
方
18
法5秒
plus
就做
8
完。
squared. I just need to know which number it is.
Think of what 2 numbers times together equals 9. Something with the 9 at the back.
So think very good. 想想看，15乘以15等于多少？等于多少？等于225，对不对
205.
？Very good. 8
I
times
know
8
what 11 is. I
64.
know what
So
11 is.
289. So let's think about it. 289这个数字肯定比15大，对不对？ So let's see if it is 16 times 16. 6乘以6, last digit is 6. Of course not.
6. So no.
17 times 17.
It's
last
something
digit
with
is
a
9.
3.
So you try it. So that's why the question mark is 17. Get it? Everybody, I'm giving you the tips, okay? So number 11 and number 12, okay? Do it together.
I already finished doing it. 我已经做好了，不过现在 I have to write it down so I can like send it to you. It's actually pretty easy. I send you my answers.
I also sent you my answer.
哇，你们2道题全都做完啦？
对啊，很简单，我有个方法。
Oh, I had to do both. Okay, I only did number 12.
我2个都做完了。
6.
I'm stuck on 12.
Okay, Carrie, I sent you the answer.
Thank you.
I don't know if you can hear it, but my dad's working on the roof and it's so loud.
Did I get it right?
I feel like number 12 is a decimal.
Same, but
On a
What?
square.
Carrie, did I get it right?
Okay, I'm
Right.
just still waiting for the last people who sent it to me, okay? Last person.
That's me, and I don't know.
Mayonnaise.
Can I just send you number 11?
You're supposed to do
11 is
number
fine.
11.
I can't do 12
12 is so easy.
for you.
Square root part of.
Did I give you a clue how to do it?
But think about it. If that side plus this side plus this one.
I don't use any. I
equals-
don't.
I got
solve.
11
I
times
just
11,
I
and then
just
12
look
times
smaller.
12. It's somewhere in between there.
I just look around the screen.
If they already give you this side, then think about it. If you only have this one, then this one. You could still figure out this one. You just figure out this one plus this one is this side. So this one is this one. And then this one.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this time, because it's 我们看一下第11题, so it's 81 plus 140
我想做。
equals what? Equals 225. Okay, so Joseph, can you tell me the answer?
That's just, oh yeah, the answer.
Mm-hmm.
But the answer is 16.
25.
15.
15.
15.
Oh.
Thank you. 吓死我了. Okay, number
Oh,
12
oh.
有点不一样. Number 12, everybody, 如果你还是做 6 times 6 plus 10 times 10, 对不对？不对了, because this 10 is what? Is the longest one, everybody? Get it? So it's 10 plus times 10 minus 6 times 6, so equals 100 minus 36 equals 64. So this answer
64.
Ah.
Yes, I got it right. At least I got one right.
Get it, everybody? Okay, very
Yeah.
good. Okay, so
Why
everybody
am I
get it
so
one right.
stupid?
Okay, so
I'm
13.
so tired.
OK，
so
这个是回家
stupid.
做了，这个回家做了，我们不做了。OK，好，下面我们来看一下简单一点的。OK，好，有些小朋
What
友
you
说我好
mean?
晕啊，我
Oh,
这个 very easy. Okay, so everybody, who can tell me inside a triangle how many degrees are there?
100.
how? 180. 180 is the same time. 180.
Very good. So
180.
now it's 180 minus 70
Minus 95
95
minus 75.
equals 15 degrees. Okay, everybody,
Oh.
these questions are very easy. So 2, 3,
Well, okay, I will do
7,
it.
and 8.
Where's my pen?
Okay.
We do what? We do every single one? Okay, I'll do
没有 2,
every single
3, 4, 7, 8.
为啥？为什么直接把通通都做完了？才呀！才呀！才呀！才呀！do I send the answer together or do I send the answer separately?
Separate, together.
Separately, okay, I'll do it separately. Nah, I'm kidding. Okay, I'm almost finished. I'm on number 7. I don't want to send it though. I was rolling around on the ground because I couldn't think. So, okay, I finished. We'll send you the answer.
Hey Carrie, I sent you the answer to all of them.
I sent I sent the answers.
Okay, very good. Good job.
I can't think with people like
Mhm.
saying I sent the I sent the answer, Carrie.
Okay, very good.
I'm typing right now. I sent you my answers.
Okay. Okay, very good. So the answer I have received all of you. Congratulations. Get it right. Okay. So this one is 35 and this one is 15 and this one is 65 and this one is
55 and 70.
5 and 70. So now everybody, I want you to pay attention to number 8. Okay, everybody, I want you to pay attention to number 8. So did
Why?
you notice something? Did you notice something?
Oh yeah,
there's
because the
77.
bottom two things are the same exact thing because they both have the same exact angle.
Mhm.
Oh, now I see it. I noticed it. Noticed.
Also in 4. It's 4
Can I
too.
can I just say the answer of 8? What? The
It's
so
also
second.
4.
What?
Okay,
What
so
am I supposed to?
see 70,
I noticed.
70
And 70
characters,
because they both
okay?
have the same exact
So
angle.
they very good. 他们有一个名字叫什么？叫等腰
Same exact
三角形。So it's called
Lateral
Uh,
triangle.
no.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's finally.
Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles. These two are the same. Get it? So they are the same. So when the angle are the same, and that means the line is also the same.
It's also for 4.
So when you see that, if I told you this one is 5, this one 5, this one 6, so you can immediately, and I told you this one is, for instance, I
我们
said
好久都没拿红包了。
80 degrees, okay? 那你们没有发现老师有问题啊？都发现老师有问题。So who can tell me what is
Because you're too
the correct answer?
small. You're too small. Too small. You don't make any mistakes. You don't make that much mistakes because you're too small.
Okay, everybody think about it. Okay, so the top angle is 80. 而且我们知道呢，这两条边是一样的。那谁能告诉老师下面的这两个 angle 是什么？
I sent you the answer, Carrie.
嗯，
I sent you the answer.
And what are we supposed to do?
你想想看，老师刚才教过你了，因为这两条边是一样的，所以下面的这两个角应该也是。
一样的。
对了，那你怎么做啊？一共180度。All together it's 180.
50-50. Oh. Uh-oh. I said the answer again. I sent you my.
Oh, 有什么声音？
I sent you my answer. I accidentally said 5.
So the answer is what? Everybody, 100. Very good, Emma. Okay. So 180 minus 80 equals what? Equals 100 degrees, right?
Carrie, I can't hear you.
Okay. Okay. So everybody, let's take a look at this one. So 180 minus 80 equals 100 degrees. So that means these two angles plus together equals 180. So 100.
What about 2? So it's 50.
50 degrees. Understand? Understand? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So we have what? We have 6, 8, and 10. So how do we calculate the area of each triangle? Do you still remember?
It's the base times the height divided by 2.
That's him.
Base times height divided by 2.
Very good. So 6 times 8 divided by 2 equals 24. Get it, everybody? So now 10, 11, and 12. Please do yourself, okay?
I'm gonna send it to you separately. That's to torture you. You're welcome.
I sent the answers, Carrie.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Serena, good job. Ariel, good job. Very good.
I'm almost done.
But Serena, watch out your calculations, okay? 千万不要算错了哟。
I sent you the answer,
再
Carrie.
检查一下
So
啊。
set you the answer, Carrie.
Wait, was it question 11?
Yes. You find out yourself.
What?
I send you my answers separately.
Okay.
Nobody needs to know that, Joseph.
Who said I can't say it again?
No one said it.
I did.
You didn't say that you can't say it again. You only said that
That makes no sense.
Nobody cares, Joseph.
At least I can.
That's true.
Okay, so now let's just do that, okay? 5 times 12 divided by 2 equals 30. And the second one, 16 times 8 equals, divided by 2, sorry, equals 64. And last one, 4 times 10 divided by 2 equals 20. Am I making
I got it all
mistakes?
right.
Am
you're
I
not
making any
right.
mistakes? Am I making any mistakes?
No.
Making mistakes. You forgot the unit and square.
Thank you, Emma. You got going to get some red pocket. Thank you, Emma. Good job. Okay, so centimeter square and inch square. 你看 Joseph 刚才还在说呢，老师啊，最近啊都没有，是不是都不给？
Never
你
mind.
自己有没有检查，对不对？你查查老师，你看 Emma 就拿到了。对不对, everybody? That's it for today's class. We did very good, okay? More than fabulous, okay?
You're
So,
done?
congratulations, Emma. You got the red pocket again. Okay, so that is everything for today. And I'm going to send the homework to the Google Classroom. And wish you have a wonderful weekend. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.